I am 22 years old. Last 25 years. I can share my story. Actually, I failed a lot in my life. Trust me, मेरे जैसा फेलियर इंसान बहुत कम देखा है. I failed in everything. वो मैंने IIT एंट्रेंस का पहला बार भी फेल किया था. So एक फेलियर इंसान क्या बोलेगा? You are successful people. So what in young age, because of I failed and I learned, failed I learned, and not only the cancer but also I have interest in human body and beauty. That's why maybe I look like much younger than my age. खुद से प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, but please ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. Because of the environment, maybe I can connect with the health much better. So probably that is why I am here to share some of my knowledge. And not only that one, you can ask some of the question. I will tell you one story about the swimmers. Her name is Samuel. You can search. Samuel was a 2016 Olympic gold medal winner. You can check. So she was preparing for the 2020 gold medal Olympic, but she fall during her training. She could not sustain because of the overtraining. There is a disease called overtraining disease, and she could not participate 2020. However, in Paris Olympic 2024, she got the silver medal. Because you are successful, already been successful, that's why you are member over here. So it is very, very important how we are taking care of our health. Why it is important that does not drink and smoke? I can go by organ. I can go also by overall general. Let me think about a body is your gift. I will tell you a story of Kaziranga. So long time ago in Kaziranga, there was a bamboo shoot. Very small bamboo shoot was growing. And every time the tiger comes here and roar, "Howl." Then every day the bamboo shoot used to see the tiger. Next day come, again howl. But then bamboo shoot did not grow much क्योंकि 4 साल लगता है. Usually takes 4 years to grow the root. One fine day there was a drought. No rain for several years, like 2 years. Then the tiger did not have anyone to eat. Bamboo tree was growing in silent and sustained the whole half of the jungle was destroyed because there was no water. Why the bamboo tree sustained? Because it was growing in the silent. No matter that Samuel, which I talked about, the Olympic gold medal winner, even she could not sustain, her muscle was, actually if you see her interview, you can see easily that my muscle is strong but inside was weak. Because you are the best in your field, you need to produce all the time result. No matter it is in your business, no matter it is in your family, no matter it is in the sports, you have to give the results. And excellent people are here, excellent in your field. So being a good is very easy, but being excellent need different. Only 0.1% people are excellent. Rest is good or average or better. Being excellent, you know best how to keep it. But think about your health. How the demography, I will tell you. 100 years ago, apple is simple an apple. Simple an apple, 100 years ago, if you used to eat, the nutrients in apple was so much that if you want to take the same nutrients now, you need to eat 40 apples to get that same nutrients. 40 apples. The data, if you want, I can give you later. Fact, because I am in this field. So human body and food is my interest. See, one thing, we eat every day. Who taught to eat which food? Our grandfather, grandmother. And think about the population. In last 100 years, the population has grown 3 times in the world. सो जमीन से तो निकल रहा है, देयर इज अ लिमिट ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. सो पीपल आर यूजिंग NPK, नाइट्रोजन, phosphorus and potassium to grow the plant, and they use pesticides, and these pesticides cannot take it out easily because it's entered to the deeper cells inside. So food हमारे पास it's very kind of not the same nutrients is there. Second, whenever somebody is even scolding you, when you get the sun ray, so DNA damage is a normal process. So in our body DNA damage is all the time, it is happening, and my specialist is actually cancer, which is DNA damaging. So we have our body's repairing system. जब DNA damage, if it is occurring in our body, so there is a called DNA repair system in our body. And also if you are smoking, then lot of free radicals generate. What is free radical? So radical is like a छुरा दे दो किसी को, extra electron ion होता है. What is that? छुरा दे दिया, वो काटते काटते जाएगा. Your normal cell will be also damaged. So doctor helps when there is a lot of damage. But damage के पहले even a heart attack, जब वो blockage हो जाता है coronary artery में, it takes minimum 5 to 10 years depositing of your LDLs, जब LDL high होता है. In fact your HDL if it is high, then LDL will be clear, means deposit will be clear. वो deposit क्यों होता है मैं बताता हूँ. वो artery पे क्यों होता है, पैर में नहीं होता है. Why heart attack is happening here? Why our cells is blocked here, not on our feet? कभी किसी का से कहा अरे इसका तो पैर में it's the blood flow is not there. It's not happening because the highest pressure is there in our heart and artery. And when there is a highest pressure, then there is a damage can happen. When damage can happen because our arteries are also very flexible. It's like a muscle, right? So if it is damaging is there, then LDL what they do, they give some deposits to repair it. LDL का काम है deposit clear करना. But then HDL जो, which is actually good fat बोलते हैं, it clears it out. If your LDL is high, HDL is high, you don't need to worry about it. But if LDL is high and HDL is low, you have to worry about it. The ratio is also very important. So HDL, try to clean it up. By the way, you have medicine to reduce the LDL, but you don't have medicine to increase the HDL. HDL has to be taken with the different food or omega-3. Everybody can say, भाई मेरे पापा जी, मेरे दादाजी को ज़रूरत नहीं था. They did not need any kind of supplement. Why I have to take the supplement? Because you are excellent. At that time, one apple was similar with the 40 apples. But this time, you cannot eat 40 apples. Can you? No. For your breakfast, क्या एक महीने में आप 40 apples भी नहीं कर. One apple per day ना. Because it has nutrients and malic acid is very important nutrients in apple. हम लोग एप्पल कौन सा चूज करते हैं जो मीठा होता है, जिसमें malic acid कम रहता है. So don't go with the sweet apple, go with the sour apple. Go for the malic acid apple, and malic acid किस में ज़्यादा रहता है, which is not hybrid. The normal दिखने में खराब apple has more malic acid than the लाल टुसटुसे apple which is red and lot of juice is there, it has a less malic acid. So इसको तो मैं change नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Cucumber, we go to the market, we buy which kind of cucumber, जो दिखने में straight है, लंबा है, देसी है, hybrid नहीं है. Am I correct? You will be surprised to know, एक छोटा कुकड़ाने वाला जो है उसमें pesticides कम होता है. लंबा वाला जो होता है, it might have pesticides, but the nutrients are same. So the health actually depend on our mom's hand. आपको grandfather, आप लोगों को कभी आपके father नहीं बोले होंगे, but your grandfather always used to tell, भाई थोड़ा खा ले ज़्यादा, बोले. So मेरे grandma भी is always like that. push करते हैं खाने के लिए, but you will be surprised to know we don't need that much of food. Why they push? Because there is a culture behind it. 76 মন্বন্তর, and then before when we had a shortage of food, our grandfather and his father, means my grandfather, like your father and forefather maybe, they had the food was available for one time or two times, so they used to eat. एक बार में जितना खाना है खा लो, and it was there in their brain. So next generation जब आया, भागते थे, वो खेती बाड़ी तो करते थे, they used to do the farming, but then concept was there, eat as much as I wanted to eat. They push us to eat. And then the next generation come, AC का generation, air conditions, we don't go, अभी bike है या फिर car है, fancy car, elevator is there here also. Now we move less. Of course, who are playing the sports, that's different. But then how long you are playing the sports? You are not running, like you are not walking like 10-20 kilometers per day. Sports is 1 hour, maybe 2 hours. If somebody is playing for the, playing is the main, then different. But in normal, in general. But then eating is much more than that time. Previously, 20-30 years ago, हमारे घर में chicken बनता था 1 time in a week. But now it's available for the new, youngsters. Youngster तो छोड़ दो. जो बच्चे हैं, they have 3-4 times chicken per day. Do they run that much? No. We need 80 grams. If your weight is 80 kilograms, then doctor, we need 80 grams per day of protein. And it is needed. And you will be surprised to know extra protein will have more damage to our body. Extra food, look at the doctor, he is still healthy because he knows. But anything extra will damage you. It will have free radicals. So let me come back. 80 grams, किसी को ऐसा लगेगा भाई कल का 80 grams भी आज ही खा लेते हैं. So 160 grams today, 160 grams of protein can I take today and then tomorrow no protein? No, it is not possible. You need a dose of everyday protein. It has to be, if you are 80 kilograms, you need 80 grams. And that day is gone means your protein intake is gone. So you need to take protein किसी भी तरह से, दाल से भी आ सकता है, चिकन से भी आ सकता है, पनीर से भी आ सकता है. पनीर you will be surprised also, another adulterate. You search in Google, the most adulterate food in India is paneer. Right? You can check right now in the Google. So what is the demography I want to tell? We have the same habit which our ancestor had about the intake of food, maybe much more dangerous because we are taking much more food which we don't need. And our habit is walking, physical movement is 10 times less than our ancestor. So extra fat, extra glucose. Do you know how much glucose we have in our body? Anybody guess? Our blood has how much? कितना चीनी है हमारे ब्लड में? Any idea? Guess, just number. डॉक्टर साहब को पूछूंगा नहीं. Any guess? Any guess? अरे गलत नंबर ही बताओ. क्यों हेजिटेट कर रहे हो भाई? मैं भी फेलियर इंसान हूँ. एक फेलियर पूछ रहा है तो ठीक है, फेल कर रहा हूँ. यंगस्टर, any guess? 50 what? Gram? Okay, great, very nice try. You go to the blood test, they usually say 90 mg ऐसे करके आता है, 90 mg या फिर 100 mg, that's the quite normal. If our blood is approximately 5 to 6 liter, 10 pints, 9 pints usually, so it's approximately 5 liter, means you have 1 spoon of sugar in your blood. 1 spoon only. Now you take 2 rasgulla or 2 gulab jamun. Example, 2 gulab jamun लेते हैं. How much sugar it has? 20 grams, sometimes 100 grams. Our blood, what they do? They release insulin as fast as possible to take it out from the blood. Because it's called spike, glucose spike, and then take it out. कितना काम करेगा हमारा इंजन? वही है. No nutrients is there. An engine is working very hard. What will happen? Collapse. collapse. So you can easily see if you have a problem or H1BAC, that is for the long term. But then you can also see PP, empty stomach and then full stomach. That's usually the test to check that के ये तीनों चीज आपका similar है कि नहीं. Sugar is the one of the worst thing in the world. No problem because it does the glycation. ये glycations जो होता है ना बड़ा dangerous होता है. आर्टरी में glycation कम, जितना sugar बढ़ाओगे all kind of things will come. Do you know why we are addicted with the chai? Very simple question. By the way, chai was not ours. It actually developed in 1920s. जब 1910 से लेके 1930s की जब World War I हुआ, at that time there was a lot of tea was supposed to be shipped out, but it did not. So what they did in the Howrah railway stations, they start all the women to make the chai, and that chai is not Indian chai. Actually, it's Iranian one. Iranians masala tea came from there, but ईरान में ईरान से नहीं आया. Actually, tea came from China. एक king था who did not know his tea is there. So one day he found it out, boil करके पी रहा है तो फिर he got strength. Long time ago. From there the English start, and then they start English tea. It came, and then through that one also Iran it went. They used with the milk, and they used with the cardamom, and then also saffron. So during that time they chai banaya, and then when a woman is involved in something, वो घर में होगा ही होगा. In a house, if women knows some food, उस घर में it will be executed for sure. So always teach the best to the women, because वो घर में उसी से ही चलने वाला है. The reason we are addicted with the chai, not because of the tea, but because of the chini. Chini give a hormone secretions in your brain, because your brain is extremely intelligent. वो brain ना आपका body को full बना के रखता है. Brain wants आराम, काम मत करो. Brain wants hormone to be released. इसीलिए हमेशा body को बोलता है do not go for work, take rest. But then you discipline an environment which you can make full to the brain, then only your body will work differently. Brain is very, very intelligent. So I was coming to the radical to until this chai story. These are my interest. I'm writing book actually on many things. So anyway, so this radical is like a चाकू दे दिया है किसी पागल को, and he is cutting into that one. And वो चाकू गरम है, गरम चाकू. That's why it's a free radical. So free radical को क्या कर सकते हैं? So we have lot of alkaloids, flavonoids, alkaloids. It can वो उसके पास पानी है, extra electron है. अब now because of our health style, our body is getting damaged, our DNA is getting damaged. Because of UV it is get damaged, because of radical it is get damaged. कहाँ पे काम करेगा हमारा food? It is not possible. Our food is mostly sugar. Why? अब बोलेगा मैं तो sugar नहीं खाता हूँ, rice खाते हैं. Rice is full of sugar. It is a different form of sugars. Ultimately it transfer to the glucose, and we don't need that much of rice. Again, one more time, we don't need. I went to several traditional restaurant. They give me the rice thali. It's a Assamese thali, but they give also extra rice. I was shocked. They come up with the rice this much. Sir, rice ले लो. बोले मैं rice नहीं खाता हूँ इतना. बोले sir आप इतने कम खाते हो. We don't need that much of food to reduce the glycations. We don't need, but we need proper quality of food. ज़्यादा मीठा खा लिया. Remember, always try to eat some green. Why? Green has a potassium. Green has magnesium. तो potassium क्या करेगा? ये फैट में ट्रांसफर होने नहीं देगा. इट विल. तो दैट्स वाई यू नीड टू ईट ग्रीन. अब ग्रीन को कैसे पता चलेगा? यू डोंट नो ना विच काइंड ऑफ ग्रीन. इट इज ग्रीन. क्यूकम्बर तो ग्रीन है, चलो क्यूकम्बर लेते हैं. ऑनियन इज ऑल्सो देयर, बट ऑनियन हैज नो, उसमें भी पोटेशियम है. केले में पोटेशियम है. एनीवे, So when it is green, you also don't know source of that green. अगर आप खुद farming करते हो, if you are doing farming, it's the best. If you are not doing, you are cutting your age, you are reducing your age, your life by yourself. And probably you have come up with a lot of stamina so far, but what next? Because our food is not getting better and better. However, our lifestyle is getting busier and busier, and quality of the food is not as your grandfather or father time. It was. It is not. So we need to take step. Coming back to the Hemohim, they spent a lot of money, billions of dollars, and then they found out, and we have a 21 patent. We are registered. We have 45 NCBI journals on it. We have tested in the animals. We have tested in hospitals, and we have journals on Hemohim. It is publicly available. It is US FDA approved product. It's Canada approved product. In China we are selling also, because in China's medical system is also difficult. We are selling approximately 27 countries. All other products available in 110 countries. First time we had to do the clinical studies to launch in India, because it was not tested on the normal, our kind of Indian gene. So it found out safe. That's why it is FSSAI registered. It is not drug. It is not drug, because drug is an short term impact. एक हफ्ते में impact होता है. Very shortcut. It is not shortcut. It is supplement. And if it is a drug, then a normal people cannot sell or buy. You need prescription. So that is why we protected that part, and it is available. 50% populations in Korea take our supplements. 50% population. Ginseng is another it's like a ashwagandha here, quite similar. If we it's called the Korean ashwagandha. Ginseng is a root. We also have the product, but we cannot launch in India. So there are two different kind of ginseng: Penang ginseng, and then it's a white ginseng. Red ginseng, the criteria of Pharmacopoeia of India, I am requesting to the board member that to increase. It's like you have the best product, but the Indian Pharmacopoeia says a very small amount approved. So uska koi fayda nahi hoga.
Many products are coming out with ginseng product now.
Right. Many products are coming. Ginseng, we have our own factory. Our own factory. We have ginseng. So it's produce. The plant is grow in 1,000 meter top of the mountain. Like tea is only available. Best tea of the world is actually Assam tea. Darjeeling is good for color, liquor. Assam tea is actually the tea. But then similarly, the ingredients cannot grow in other country. So we have invested a lot of money also to grow the particular type of plant to extract, and that's called Hemohim. We have many other products, but I am not here to talk about products. I want you to be healthy. So if you have any question then related with that one, because see, it should not be also one directional. I don't know what is your interest also. So if you want to have a certain kind of question, and I also don't know everything. With me we have a Dr. Malagar also. He give him a big round of applause. Thank you. You are being here. कौन सा हॉस्पिटल से आप पहले बिलोंग करते थे? Health City Hospital में he used to be the doctor also. So he is a very, so along with me and him can answer yours. I don't know everything. Please pardon me. If you ask some questions, sir, इसका answer बता दो. I might not answer, but I know where to find answer. So if anybody has some curiosity or question, don't hesitate and ask foolish questions which I cannot answer, or you also don't understand. It is no problem at all, because if you ask questions means you have interest of yourself. You have interest on your body. So if anybody, youngsters, you always have a lot of questions, and I would again like to thank Sam for giving me chance to share a lot of my knowledge and insight. And thanks the doctor. I was asking him, am I telling right? Am I correct? If I tell anything wrong, doctor is there, so I cannot tell anything. Okay. So anybody has any question related with health or your situations, or maybe you can tell, muscle man, be careful. Don't take much protein. My business does not help me to take my dinner at 6 o'clock. I am taking my dinner every day 9 o'clock. Am I doing right? Is it resonating with your life? Right? 9 o'clock में अभी नहीं होता है. Actually these days we are having dinner at 10 o'clock because most of the women are having the prime time program. Television ruined our life. Actual time is to have the dinner is from 5 to 6 because it takes time to digest the food, 3 to 4 hours. Especially if you are taking a animal protein, then it will take 4 hours to digest. And when your body is not digested and you are sleeping, it will generate lot of bad byproduct while you are sleeping. Means आप सो तो रहे हो, आपका body नहीं सो रहा है.
Lifestyle has changed everything.
Right. I still have my dinner at 6 when I am not traveling most of the time. I wake up at 5:19 last 20 years. I don't watch television. Many televisions, I don't know who is there in IPL. You ask me any cricketer name, I will be say sorry. I don't know who is cricketer. I don't watch news. Only I selected. I live my life very differently. I sleep on the floor so far. So if I can do, you can do. Simple. So probably discipline is one of the criteria to live our life better. You can tell that yes, maybe मेरा वक्त नहीं मिलता. FAQ, you should finish your dinner before 6. That's the fact. If not, एक दिन में नहीं change होता है, then do it in your weekend. Do it whenever you have time. And don't eat much at dinner. Eat as much as at morning. And then less.
Should have a very
Heavy.
breakfast would be I think.
Yes, breakfast you can have like dinner you are having.
English people they
What is the function of that product?
So what they do, as I mentioned, thank you to bring me in the product. So what they do, they activate NK cell. NK cell, which is raw agent, which is also give the boost for the immunity. Also it improvise the cytokine, and it has a lot of alkaloids. Cell or DNA or anything, it is uncontrolled. It can grow like this. Why they grow? Because there is no cure of that damaged cell, and it's replicate because cell's function has been damaged, and there is no immunity which can clear at the first stage. If it is also immunosuppressive, then it reduces also. So it comes in a both ways, and this product will give you result. If your body is really weak, it will give result in 7 days. But if it is needed, approximately 2 to 4 months is suggested to see the result of your fatigue come out. This is the product. It has this tearing system. You tear it, drink it, that's it. And when you drink it, it feel like वो आयुर्वेदिक कड़वा वाला थोड़ा सा होता है. It has no sugar, very no sugar. So people try to take with the water. So we have both solutions, internal and external, but not the genetic. We have the milk thistle, which is good for the liver. So it also helps. Second one is your guts need to be improved. I was talking about our food habit, our smell, our choices of even movie is decided not by brain but by guts. जिसका guts strong है, ही इसीलिए बोलते हैं उसका guts में दम है तो करके दिखा. Because of the guts decided 90% of our choice. and gut has a flora and fauna. Most of the time, because you are eating very unhealthy food, gut's flora and fauna is damaged. We have some billion CFUs, and यहाँ पे आग का दरिया है, that kind of acid is there. However, we have a coat like some kind of cover. It only works when it is dry powder. So dry powder is going to be, anybody can buy from now on. The nutraceutical, the probiotics liquid will be drugged within few months. So our one is, there are 12 different kind of probiotics genetically developed.
Antibiotic and probiotic.
Yes, we have two prebiotic. Prebiotic is the food of probiotic. मतलब उस जगह में हम लोग खाना के साथ उसको दे रहे हैं, and the taste you will get addicted because this taste, the taste is designed only for Indians. If you take the Korean probiotic, and it's easy to open. The packaging is also sophisticated. It's made in Korea. We bring it from there. We cannot make it here. You will be surprised to know, good shampoo will make you younger. However, we have two different kind of shampoo. One is herbal shampoo. The smell is quite Indian one. And another one is a scalp care shampoo, which is for the scalp. So shampoo cleans, conditioner give the nourishment. And there is a process to use it. Shampoo for 2 minutes, conditioner for 2 minutes. I will tell you few products name. जैसे मोरिंगा हो गया. Moringa is a superfood. We have also Shilajit. Moringa is superfood. Why? Because इसका root काम में भी आता है, इसका पत्ता काम में आता है, इसका stick काम में आता है, इसका गोंद भी काम में आता है. Right? क्यों है? क्यों? Why? You have to be. ये Moringa was our failure project. Moringa launch करने में I took 3 years. Moringa बनाने में टाइम नहीं लगता है. पत्ता निकालो, हैं? आप हिमालय का मोरिंगा है, ऑर्गेनिक का मोरिंगा है इन द मार्केट. यू कैन यूज इट. उसमें क्या होता है, कैप्सूल के अंदर पत्ता रहता है. वी डीड द सेम थिंग विद द नेचुरल. देन वी सेंड टू द बेस्ट लैब इन द वर्ल्ड. You know what problem we found? Pesticide was there. Even if it was a natural, it was organic. फिर हमने छानबीन किया, why there is pesticides? They found out ये organic का field है. Beside there is another. They used the pesticides and the water came and it contaminated. So हमारा ये पत्ता वाला नहीं है. We did extract. Suppose you went for a dinner. आपका कंट्रोल नहीं है. You don't have any control. You had to eat. शादी का माहौल है. You have to eat. You eat and take 2 moringa. It will work. And 1 spirulina. This is one cell. It's one of the oldest cell. And astronaut uses this product. When they go, it is completely green. It has a raw chlorophyll. When you overeat, take 2 and 1. It will work because it has a lot of zinc, magnesium, which will not allow fat convert to the sugar to the fat. Shilajit. Oh, okay. If I start to talk about the product, omega-3, we have Alaska omega-3. From the Alaska means from there we bring the cod liver. Also we have algae omega. I will come both of that one. So in Alaska
in USA.
Yes, from there we bring the cod liver. मछली का जो cod fish Alaska में मिलता है. Alaska में क्यों? Because that place is not polluted. Any other part of the world is polluted. That place is why pollution is important. क्योंकि the fish, if they eat any polluted plankton, they eat plankton. This
7 is cod liver.
algae. Yes, they eat algae. No, it's okay. So doctor साहब को ज़्यादा पता है, but then I am telling, so that's why, we have also doctor. He knows also much more than me. But because I am holding, so I am just continuing. It's better that he speaks. I will give you. So we have two different kind of omega-3. One is a fish, which is secondary source. Algae is a source of omega-3. Not the fish is the source of omega-3. They eat the primary source, which is deep in the water. They fly and they eat, so their body extract the omega-3 and keep in their liver. We extract it and get from the secondary source. Somebody who is vegetarian can get the direct source. So we have secondary source, we have primary source. One is vegetarian, one is non-vegetarian. We have Shilajit, which is also the best of the best source. Shilajit, usually extraction is very, very important. Shilajit in the market, you don't know whether it has some lead or some heavy metal, because in the mountain when it comes, it can come with heavy metal also. So we check every batch, then we process. You go to Kashmir, anybody can sell in the shop that ये हमारा यहाँ का best है, वैसे extract ऐसे किया है, वैसे किया है. Ask him to show the test report. They cannot. So we have test, and the most important point of Shilajit is fulvic acid, which increase the absorption of any kind of nutrients you eat, it absorbs. It works also the same things which increase the gut's health, which is nutraceutical. Thank you so much. Thank you.